Called ice sculptures after all, not slush sculptures.
Looks like we need some winter.
I think so.
Oh,
Yeah.
boy.
And it's coming back.
Here we go, right? We had some patio weather for the last few days, and we're going to be thrown into winter for this weekend, where we should be. It is February. However, if you do have to drive in this, extra caution. This is going to be tricky everywhere for southern Alberta. 10 degrees is the temperature right now. Our daytime high was 12. That's at the airport. Downtown right now at 11. COP at 10. The all-new Big Four now open at Tazaw Park. Tazaw Park is at 12. So, yes, very nice weather right now. We're going to hold on to the somewhat above normal temperatures for tomorrow, which is why this system for us here in Calgary is going to kick off as rain. And then by late Saturday, it'll start to switch over to snow. As it switches over, there is the potential of even some freezing rain with this. And when we switch over to snow, it could be a little heavy at times. We are not in the warning area, but to the south, to the west, to the east of us certainly are, because look at the amounts possible with this system. We'll talk more about this coming up.
Okay, thanks, Danielle. Another look at the forecast, and I mean, it's hard to believe when you go outside today, you don't even need a jacket, but
yeah.
Change in the system here.
I feel like to tell you all the details that I would like to tell you, I need to be able to talk like an auctioneer.
Okay,
to
go
get
for it.
through
Okay,
all of it.
try it.
I can't do that.
You can.
No, I can't. But I will fit as much as I can in this hit. Here's your Capital Chev Sky Cam. Beautiful out there right now. Yes. Patio weather for the last couple of days for many people. And we're going through a big change as we go through the weekend. Now we're getting closer to normal. So you can see we got into the double digits here for all of southern Alberta. It's been quite a stretch here. We talked about, we didn't know our nursery rhymes yesterday, but we did talk about them. We finally figured out Goldilocks and the Three Bears. The porridge was too cold, then it was too hot, and then it's just right. So we're getting just right. By the weekend, we're going to say goodbye to these warmer temperatures. We are currently sitting at 10 degrees in Calgary at the airport. Visibility is unlimited. It's calm. It's quiet. It's been nice travel weather. We will not have nice travel weather for this weekend, especially Saturday night in through Sunday. You can draw the ridge of high pressure in the clouds here. So that's what keeps things stable and nice and warm. And that's going to shift off. And it's going to allow the cloud cover, all the moisture and precipitation to move in, and the cooler temperatures as well. So futurecast here. I'm going to step out of the way and show you this hour by hour. So as we head through tonight, rain starting in the far south. As we go through early Saturday morning, rain could start to creep into Calgary. Again, for Calgary, we're not under the warnings, and it's kind of like a V shape of where we're looking at all the moisture, which is going to be right around us. But we will get some off and on. Then late Saturday, we start to switch into snowfall. Before we switch, we could get a little bit of freezing rain in many communities as we start to switch over. And you can see that in the pink here. So slick roads, even slicker than what we've had, and sidewalks as well. Let me fast forward this in through Sunday, and you can see lots of snowfall clearing out late Sunday, which could be heavy at times. When we look at the Environment Climate Change Canada issued warnings suggesting 10 to 20 centimeters for Milk River up through Lethbridge, Claresholm, through Strathmore, not Calgary, and in through Canmore. Southwest of that, Pincher Creek area, 30 to 40 centimeters. Now, where we're looking at the higher amounts is likely south of Pincher Creek. First, rainfall. I can't believe I'm talking about this in February, but rainfall ahead of the snow. We're looking at 6 millimeters possible late Saturday or through Saturday to Saturday night before we transition to snow, but up to 25 millimeters possible in Claresholm, 34 millimeters of rain possible in Cardston. So heavy rain before we get into this snow. And further to the south, Pincher Creek, Lethbridge, Brooks, Milk River, up to 20 centimeters of snow is certainly possible. And you can see that little bullseye south of Pincher Creek. These are the areas that could get the 40 centimeters of snow before it's all said and done by early Monday morning. All right, Capital Chev 5-day forecast for us here in Calgary. Again, we're looking at 3 to 6 millimeters of rain Saturday. Then we transition to snow late Saturday, 2 to 3 centimeters late Saturday and through Saturday night, and then another 2 to 3 centimeters of snow likely on Sunday. Sunday, we get to a high of -4, and then we should remain for a week after that in those minus single-digit highs. Foothills Hospital Home Lottery is back.